let's make easy melodic house. First, let's set the tempo to somewhat slow like 120 BPM and start with a kick from a sample pack. Then after 4 bars, let's add some claps. Some open hi-hats. Some closed hi-hats. Which I'll automate the volume to groove him up. Some shakers. And some crashes every 8 bars. Guys, if you like these drums, they're from a sample pack Infinity Groove. It has more than 400 drum samples, including kicks, claps, snares, hi-hats, shakers, percussion, and loops. These samples are high quality and ready to make your production process easier and faster. Plus, it's really affordable. So if you're interested in this sample pack, make sure to check it out using the link in the description. Then we need a vocal.
Can't you hear me calling? Can't you hear me calling, calling your name?
And let's create a 16th note bass pattern that matches with the vocal. And let's session this to the kick using a limiter.
Can't you hear me calling, calling your name?
Now let's create some really atmospheric pads using the bass notes as our root notes. Let's session this. Boost the highs. And turn down the lows. I'll also add another layer to this. Then I'll add a Reese bass to add some crunchiness to the track. I'll just sidechain the low end of this using Shaper Box. Now we need a simple, airy, repetitive synth. I'll just sidechain this. Now moving on to the second half of the drop, let's add a lead following the same melody as the synth. I'll sidechain this and turn down the lows. And I'll also record the first note of the lead and reverse it like this. Then let's use chord progression to create some arps. I'll sidechain this and use some auto panning. Then some pads for tension. Guys, if you want these serum presets, check out the link in the description. The serum pack has more than 100 sounds which are perfect for any type of techno. It's high quality and super affordable. So if you're interested, check out the link in the description. Then I'll use this atmospheric vocal. Sidechain it and add a volume gate using LFO tool to create a vox loop and some exhaust.
Can't you hear? Can't you hear?
Now that the drop's done, let's move on to the intro and the build-up. Let's start with the pads, the Reese bass, and the vocals. And after 8 bars, I'll make this vocal unique and create a cutoff filter to it.
Can't you? Can't you hear me calling, calling your name?
Add some reverb
Can't you hear me calling, calling your name?
and some delay.
Can't you hear me calling, calling your name?
And I'll also reverse this exhaust to create a transition into the build-up. At the build-up, let's add the synth, the bass, and some of the drums. Then some build-up drums. And some rises. Now I'll use a high pass on the master to sync up the track during the build-up like this. Now let's just duplicate this and change things around at the second half. So guys, our track is now finished. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel, and let's see our final result.
Can't you hear me calling, calling your name? The moment you walked in, got caught in your game. And now you know I'll never be the same. Oh, can't you hear me